Welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is white sauce pasta. Here I am using oats to make white sauce pasta. You can also use maida or atta, and if you want a video on making white sauce using maida or atta, please do comment down below. I'll make a video on it.
We'll be needing the following ingredients to make our white sauce pasta. Firstly, I'll be taking around 1.5 cup of milk, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 cup of macaroni pasta. You can even use penne pasta or spaghetti pasta. Half a zucchini which I have chopped into dices like this. 100 grams of broccoli which I have blanched or steamed in some hot water. 9 to 10 cloves of garlic which I have chopped. 1 medium sized carrot chopped. Around 1.5 tablespoons of oats powder. It is nothing but oats blended in some blender jar. Around 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Half a teaspoon of dry basil. 1.5 tablespoon of butter. Moving on to the next process of cooking our pasta. First, we'll have to boil some water on medium flame to cook our pasta. Once the water boils, we'll have to add in some salt. The salt content in this boiling water should be such that when you taste this water, it should taste like seawater. Once the salt dissolves, add in 1 teaspoon of oil. Here we add the oil so that the pasta doesn't stick to the pan or the vessel in which you're boiling your pasta. Once the water starts to boil, now we'll add the pasta to cook in this boiling water. Continuously keep stirring your pasta so that it doesn't stick onto the pan as soon as you start boiling it. Ensure to cook the pasta for the time mentioned on the packet. On my packet it's mentioned 5 minutes. I'll cook it for 3 minutes. Now after 3 minutes we'll just check on our pasta if it is cooked. Yeah, it is cooked really well. So now we'll just turn off the heat and we'll drain off all the excess water. Now once you drain off all the excess water, we'll have to run it in between some cold water to stop the process of cooking of our pasta. Now we'll move on to the next process to make our white sauce. So to make our white sauce, first we'll have to heat our kadai on medium flame. Once the kadai is heated, we will add in our 1 tablespoon of butter and we'll melt it. Once the butter melts, we will add in our chopped garlic and our mixed herbs and we'll saute both of them for about 10 seconds. Once you have sauteed it for about 10 seconds, next we will add in our another half a tablespoon of butter and we'll melt it. As soon as our butter melts, we will add in our oats powder and we'll saute our oats powder till it turns slightly brown or for about a minute on medium flame. Here I am using the oats powder. You can also use maida or atta. The choice is yours. Next, we will add in 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk and we will ensure there are no lumps by mixing it continuously. Continue adding milk in small portions till you get the desired consistency and continuously keep stirring it so that there are no lumps after you add the milk. Here I won't be using the entire 1.5 cup of milk. I'm going to be using milk to get the right consistency that we want. When you add oats, the consistency of your sauce will be slightly watery compared to what you get when you add the atta or the maida. And also when you add atta or maida, you might need the entire 1.5 cup of milk to make the sauce.
Once the sauce starts bubbling up, we will add in salt to taste and we'll give it one nice mix. And now we'll turn off the heat as our sauce is ready and we'll keep it aside. Moving on to the next process of cooking our vegetables. First we'll have to heat a pan on medium flame. Once the pan is heated, we will just add in about 1 teaspoon of butter to this. Once the butter melts, we will add in our chopped zucchini and we'll saute our chopped zucchini on medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes or till it turns transparent. After a minute, we will add in our chopped carrots and we'll saute the carrots along with the zucchini for about a minute. Once you add the carrots, we'll also add in salt for the vegetables, just about a teaspoon of it, and then we'll give it a nice mix. Here I'm not completely cooking the carrots, I'm sauteing the carrots just for a minute and I'm going to keep the carrots slightly crunchy. We'll also add the dry basil and we will saute the dry basil also along with our vegetables. Vegetables have sauteed. Add in the white sauce that we had made using oats and milk. So keep your flame on low while you're adding your white sauce. Give it a nice mix. After you add the white sauce, add the pepper powder and give it one nice mix. Add the broccoli and also give it a nice mix. Now we will add the pasta that we had cooked into our sauce and give it all a nice mix. We will add around 1 tablespoon of milk. Give it all a nice mix. Now we will close the lid and we will cook it on medium-low flame for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we'll just check on our pasta and we'll see how well it's cooked. Yeah, it is cooked really well. The pasta and the vegetables and the sauce have combined together really well. So now we'll just turn off the heat and we will transfer this into our serving bowl. So there you go. Our white sauce pasta is ready to be served.
I hope you guys really liked the video. If you really liked the video and you found it really helpful, then please do subscribe to my channel and also do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.